Now after this we are done with hearing part. We are done with hearing part. That is simple. Which part of the inner ear is concerned with hearing? It is the cochlea. Is it clear? The coiled part. All right. Two parts which we have to do, and a very basic of it we have to know. We don't have to do what is present, how it is working, nothing we have to do. What we have to do, now you see. We are done with hearing. So through oval window, the impulse, the vibration enter, and through round window the vibration exit. It comes out. Is it all right? After creating the impulse, the vibration should come out. If it stays inside, the liquid will keep vibrating in the same way, and the next one will come. There will be overlapping of sound. All right. Okay. Now we come to the triangular part. Here again, this is bony and here is membranous. We don't have to do the structure of it. What we have to do, we should know the, here it is, you know, here is the snail-like structure, that is cochlea. This part is known as, we don't have to do much, only what we do, we usually call it a vestibule. Vestibule, is it clear? Vestibule, and it is composed of, you write this term, you use this term or not, but you will remember, you will use the term utricle and saccule, The singular of utricle is, utriculus. So don't get confused if you see utriculus, and singular of saccule is sacculus. Is it clear? Please do not get confused if these terms are there, they are same. All right, and this leads to here on top, there are almost at 90 degree, there are 3 semicircular canals. Is it all right? There are 3 semicircular canals. Again, there is, you know, bony and membranous labyrinth. Okay. This part, vestibule and semicircular canal inside, are filled with endolymph. The part which is working are filled with endolymph. Here, they are filled with an endolymph. Even vestibule, utricle and saccule are also filled with endolymph. Is it clear? Because they are inside the membranous part. Inside the membranous part is always endolymph. Outside is perilymph. Is it clear? So here is, so what is that? So this is, so there are 3 semicircular canals. Okay. This is also present in the closed cavity of our skull. Okay. So what is it? This is actually the skull bone only. All right. The, you know, bony labyrinth. Okay. Now here, semicircular canal. What is the function of semicircular canal? The function of semicircular canal is to maintain, the circular canal is to maintain the dynamic balance or the dynamic equilibrium of the body. Dynamic equilibrium of the body. What is the meaning of dynamic equilibrium? When you are moving around, you know, moving around, you are not static. That is what is dynamic. Just now, you know, it's very easy, it means we don't understand, but when we are moving around, we are changing our position, you know, the balance of the body is disturbed, and that is controlled by the semicircular canal. Okay, sometimes, you know, you feel giddiness, and like it's not, the doctor detects that you have some problem in your ear. So ear is the organ for balance as well, a very important organ for balance. Is it all right? And what is the function of utricle and saccule? It controls the static equilibrium. Mainly when you are not moving around, you are in one place, and your body is moving with respect to gravity, down, up. Is it all right? Static equilibrium. Okay. So, with respect to gravity, moving towards the gravity, away from the gravity. But the body on whole is not moving. That is called static equilibrium. Is it all right? So semicircular canal maintains the dynamic equilibrium, and utricule and saccule maintains the static equilibrium. Is it clear? Maintains the static equilibrium. Is it clear? So this is what is the function of. So just see this tiny part of our ear, the inner ear, doing three functions. One part is converting vibration. It was just a wave, and that wave is converted into sound. Sound, our brain does. Sound impulse. Is it all right? This part is doing. Is it clear? Cochlear part. Cochlear part is doing. Is it all right? The cochlear part is doing. All right. The coiled part, and this part is maintaining the static equilibrium. Tiny it is it? The static equilibrium of the body, and this part is controlling the dynamic equilibrium of the body. I hope it is clear to you, and if you have any questions, we can discuss later while I teach you eye and brain. So that's all about hearing and balancing, and about ear. Thank you, children.